at the margins of D8 summit. And it is more so important, Mr. President, that while we speak, we are passing through very difficult and turbulent times. As the trail of Israel's unrelenting atrocities after wreaking havoc in Gaza has now spread into the West Bank, Lebanon, and Syria, igniting a fire that threatens to engulf the entire region with its sparks reaching Iran, Iraq, Yemen, and beyond. What has been transpiring in Gaza since October 2023 is one of the darkest chapters of modern history. It is a colossal human tragedy unfolding on an unimaginable scale. Israel's deliberate and inhumane targeting of the people of Gaza and Lebanon with intensifying savagery has resulted in a relentless massacre that blatantly violates international law, UN resolutions, and ICJ directives. Excellencies, history will bear witness to these pages tainted in the blood of innocents. Neither will it forgive those who are perpetrating such heinous crimes, nor will it spare those who have chosen to remain silent in the face of these terrible, unprecedented atrocities. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has consistently condemned